Good morning to everyone. I am Dr. N. Narmadha, MSc MPhil, B.Ed PhD, Assistant Professor, PG Research Department of Computer Science, Sri Sharda College for Women, Autonomous, Salem 16. Today we are going to see about statistics for data science. So before we enter into this topic, we should know what is statistics and what is data science. Okay, so first, statistics is the way of using numbers to understand the things better. Then statistics helps to collect the information, then organize it, and then understand. After that, we make decision based on the data. Okay, so for example, if we are asking our 10 friends about their favorite fruit, suppose we take survey of the favorite fruit, like how many of them says mango, that is statistics. Okay, next, what is data science? Data science is the study of how to collect the data and clean the data and analyze the data and understand the data to find the useful information and make smart decision based on the given data. So for example, a food delivery app uses data science to suggest your favorite meals and find the fastest delivery route or offers discounts we would like. Okay, so that is the best example. We already know the basic for data science. So this slide shows the content of the presentation. First thing, what is data science? Why we need data science? Why we need statistics in data science? Relationship between data science and statistics, simple statistics problems, and applications of statistics in data science, statistical tools for modern data science. Next, so this slide shows the what is data science. I already told you what is data science, and I said a simple example. Here, detailed explanation about the data science. So data science extract knowledge and insight from structured and unstructured data. So using a various scientific methods, process, algorithms and systems. It involves a data collection and processing, analyze, visualization and interpretations to support decision making. So the key components of data science is that data collection, data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, machine learning, and data visualization, and so on. So here, why we need data science? Data science is essential in today's world. So especially due to the exponential growth of a data and the need for extracting a meaningful insights from the data. So we need data science. So it plays a vital role in our world. So it helps to improve the data and making decisions and automations and personalizations and fraud detections and healthcare advancements. So why do we need statistics for data science in the sense? So statistics is essential for data science as it helps in collecting, analyzing and interpreting data effectively. So it enables the data scientist to identify the patterns in the data and trains what we are finding in the data and the relationship within the data. So statistical methods supports hypothesis testing and decision making under uncertainty. So overall the statistics ensures the accuracy and reliability of a data driven insights. So this slide shows the relationship between what is data science and statistics. So first column based on the aspects and second column related to the data science and the third column represents the statistics. So in that first row, what is the objective of a data science in the sense? Extract the insights and build a predictive models and in statistics analyze the data and make the inferences. Then what are the tools we are using here is basically data science in the sense we have a huge number of programming languages, machine learning, deep learning, AI and so on. We have big data tools, etc. So in statistics, we are only focused on mathematical and statistical techniques. So while data handling works with the structured, semi-structured and unstructured, but in statistics only focused on the structured data, it cannot able to focused on unstructured and semi-structured. The approach is that data science, in the sense we have practical approaches and application oriented approaches. In statistics we have only theoretical and method driven. Role in analysis, so applies the statistical concepts for making decision and improve the solutions, and in statistics provides the foundations for analytical methods in data science. First, I already give the simple example for statistics. Here we have a detailed description. That is, statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with the collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentations of data. It helps in understanding patterns, making informed decisions, and drawing conclusions from data. So statistics is widely used in various fields like economics, medicines, business, and data science, and so on. So it includes concepts such as probability, averages, dispersion, correlation, and hypothesis testing. In future, we are going to see about the simple statistics problems. Okay. So why statistics is important? That is, uh, so we have problem solving. That is, statistics helps identify, analyze, and solve a real world problem using data driven approaches. And after that, we have critical thinking, in the sense it encourages a careful evaluation of a data and climbs promoting an objective decision making, logical reasoning, in the sense so normally statistics plays logical reasoning, so that we can able to justify whether our solution is right or wrong. So we need a statistical method and logical reasoning to justify our solution. So statistical methods follows logical steps, helping to form a valid conclusions based on the evidences. So understanding the world around us. So what are the statistics around us, in the sense so it allows to make a sense of a trends and behavior and patterns of the society, nature, and business. So simple statistics problem and how it is related to data science. Okay, the first thing, we are using a mean. So mean, in the sense normally we have to calculate the sum of all the values and divided by number of value. So we have 5 student marks, and one is 75, then 70, 75, 80, 85, or 90. Take sum of this 5 marks divided by a total number of students, in the sense 5. So sum of the value is 400 divided by number of students is 5. So we have the value of 80. The 80 is the average, that we called it as a mean. So this mean value, how it is related to data science, in the sense the mean is used to summarize the data and how to understand the central tendency in data science. So it helps to identify the overall trends, that is average customer spendings, and normalizing data for machine learning models, and reducing noise in time series forecasting. So next, the second simple statistic problem is that median. So now this concepts also we know how to calculate the median for this age of 7 numbers. So we have 7 numbers, that is odd, 7 in the sense odd. Uh, so we have to take the middle value for median. So middle value, in the sense fourth value is the middle value among this 7. So we have 31 is the fourth value. So 31 is the median value. Suppose we have 8 numbers, in the sense 8 in the sense it is all even. So we have to take the third and fourth value and add it, divided, and then divide by 2. What is the value? We called it as a median. Okay, so this median value, how it is related to data science, in the sense the median is important for handling a skewed data or outliers. So data scientists use it too. So find the typical values in income, housing prices, etc. So avoid bias when data is not symmetrically distributed, when it improves the robustness of the model. Then third, mode value, in the sense mode is a simple statistics problem. Mode, in the sense we have a huge number of in which numbers is repeated, or most occurrence of the number, we call it as a mode value. We have here we have 1 2 3 4 5. See, 2 is repeated 4 times, so most of the appearance number is 2, so the 2 is mode value. This mode, how it is related to data science in the sense, the mode helps in understanding the most frequent values in the data set, and it useful for categorical data analysis. For example, the most common product category, recommend a system, most chosen items. Okay, so feature engineering in ML models, that is ML in the sense machine learning models. The fourth simple statistics problem is that here we are taking a temperature for some values, range in the sense we have take the lowest value, highest value. So you have to calculate the range of a given number is that highest value minus lowest value. So here we have highest in the sense 35 is highest and lowest is 28. So you have to take the difference of this two numbers. So 35 minus 28 in the sense 7. So 7 we called it as a range of this given number. Okay. So how this range is related to data science in the sense. So range shows the spread or variability of data. Variability in data, it is used in exploratory data analysis to understand the data spread. So detecting outliers and anomalies, designing proper scaling technique for ML models. The last simple statistic problem is that probability. Okay. Suppose if you are having a one bag, in the sense in that bag we have 3 red balls, 2 green balls, and 5 blue balls. So we have to take some of these balls, that is 3 plus 5 plus 2. So in our bag we have 10 balls. So suppose we have to take the probability of a red ball in the sense. So how many red balls we have? 3 red balls. So divided by total number of balls we have, that is 10. So 3 divided by 10, that is 0.3 or 30 percentage. Suppose we have to take the probability of green balls in the sense. We have 2 green balls divided by total number of balls is 10. So 2 divided by 10 in the sense 0.2 or 20 percentage of green balls we have. Then finally, suppose we want to take probability of blue ball in the sense we have 5 blue balls divided by total number of balls in the balls is 10. Okay, 5 divided by 10 is 0.5. So we have 50 percentage of blue balls. So this is the way we are calculating the probability. So this kind of a statistics problem is helpful for identifying the real world problems with solutions. Then how it is related to data science in this, the core of predictive modeling and machine learning. It is essential for risk assessment and decision making, building models like naive Bayes logistic regression, interrupting confidence levels in predictions. So this slide shows the applications of statistics in data science. First thing is data collection, sampling. Statistics helps in designing effective survey and experiments and selecting representative samples from the large data sets. So exploratory data analysis in the sense, statistical methods like a mean, median, variance, histogram, etc. For example, as I said earlier, probability, and all these are used to understand the data patterns and distributions and data anomalies, detect anomalies. So predictive modeling, algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, and time series forecasting are based on statistical concepts. So hypothesis testing used to validate assumptions and making decision based on the samples. Uncertainty and risk estimation in the sense, statistics quantifies uncertainty using probability, confidence intervals, and standard errors, critical for model evaluation. So next, the slide shows the statistical tools for modern data science. Normally, we work with Python, R, and MATLAB. Basically, some other tools like SQL, SAS in the sense a statistical analysis system, MATLAB, SPSS in the sense a statistical packages for social science, Tableau for mainly it is used for visualizations, Jupyter notebooks, and Hadoop Spark for big data processing, and Minitab, etc. So thank you.